हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 7 एसएसटी के चैप्टर नंबर 15 द मुगल एम्पायर का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। हुमायूं वाज डिफीटेड बाय शेर शाह सूरी। अकबर रिलीजियस डिस्कशंस टुक प्लेस एट द इबादत खाना। Third question, in which language did Babur write his autography Tujuk-i-Babari? Turkish. Akbar ascended the throne at the age of 14. Which one of the following statements is correct? Aurangzeb conquered Bijapur and Golconda. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। हुमायूं वाज अकबर्स गार्जियन। पीकॉक थ्रोन वाज मेड फॉर शाहजहां। औरंगजेब assumed the title of Alamgir. Bahadur Shah Jafar was the last Mughal emperor. The Mansabdars were responsible for both civil and military administration. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं ट्रू और फॉल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। द बैटल ऑफ चौसा वॉज फाउट बिटवीन बाबर एंड शेर शाह सूरी। ट्रू। Jahangir discontinued the administrative system that was introduced by his father. False. Din-e-Ilahi was a socio-religious path started by Akbar. True. Humayun fell from the stairs of his library and died. True. Shahjahan gave patronage to scholars, artisans and craftsmen. True. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन ब्रीफ। हु वाज दिन-ए-इलाही एंड हु स्टार्टेड इट? दिन-ए-इलाही वाज स्टार्टेड बाय अकबर इन 1582. It was based on the fundamental ideas of all religions. It was actually a socio-religious path to bridge the difference among different communities. It shows that Akbar was tolerant towards other religions. Next question है, why is Shahjahan known as an engineer king? Architecture made tremendous growth under Shahjahan. He increased the magnificence of the court. He built the Peacock Throne, the Taj Mahal at Agra, the Red Fort and Jama Masjid in Delhi, and numerous other works of art and architecture, which show how talented he was in this field. He is rightly called the Engineer King. Next question देखते हैं, question number 3. What was the political condition of India before Babur's invention? India was divided into numerous small states. These small kingdoms were always engaged in war with one another. In such a state of disunity, they could not stand up to any foreign aggression. Delhi had lost its glory under Ibrahim Lodi. Its personal officials opposed him and invited Babur to invade India. The situation in Punjab, Gujarat, Bengal, Malwa, Rajputana, Kashmir, etc. was quite bad. There was widespread lawlessness and disorder. The local rulers were unpopular among the masses. State the main features of Jahangir's rule. The important features of Jahangir rule are given below. Jahangir was very much interested in the well-being of his people. He set up a chain of justice having 60 bells attached to it. Anyone who wanted justice could ring the bell and speak directly to the emperor. Jahangir also issued 12 ordinances for the better governance of the country. Next question देखते हैं. Fifth, briefly explain the Mansabdari system. Akbar started this system. It was based on rank or position in the official hierarchy. The Mansabdars were responsible for both civil and military administration. Next देखते हैं. Answer the following questions. Mention the difficulties faced by Humayun after coming to the throne. Humayun faced innumerable difficulties to retain the Mughal emperor in India. Babur had gifted separate provinces to his other three sons. The army was a combination of people from different countries and language groups. Humayun had inherited an empty treasury. He had to face opposition from his brothers, relatives, Afghans and Rajputs. He multiplied his problems with his own follies. He was addicted to opium. He lacked military ability. His father had failed to crush the power of Afghans for good. Thus, Humayun was defeated by an Afghan, Sher Shah Suri at Chausa and Kannauj, and was forced to leave India and take refuge in Iran in 1540. Next question है. Compare the religious policy of Akbar with that of Aurangzeb. Akbar had open mind on religious matters. He adopted a policy of religious tolerance towards other religion to build up a strong empire in India. It aimed at harmony among different religions. He set up Ibadat Khana, which was open to believers of different religions like Jains, Hindus, Zoroastrians, Christians, etc. Aurangzeb was just the opposite of his forefathers. He was an orthodox Muslim and opposed other religions. He forced the Hindus to adopt Islam. He imposed jizya on Hindus. Next question देखते हैं. Describe Shahjahan's Deccan policy. Under Shahjahan, the Deccan policy of the Mughals entered a new phase. He annexed Ahmednagar and Daulatabad. He forced the rulers of Bijapur and Golconda to accept his supremacy. In 1636, Shahjahan retired to Agra and appointed Aurangzeb as the governor of Deccan. Describe the uniform system of administration established by the Mughals. The Mughals managed to unite the country politically. They established a uniform system of administration, which was a combination of both India and Persian systems. They believed in the supreme authority of the king. A strong army and efficient ministers assisted the emperor. The whole empire was divided into Subas provinces, which were governed by Subedars, governors. The Diwan was the collector of land revenue. The Kotwal looked after the law and order in the city. Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system based on rank or position in the official hierarchy. The Mansabdars were responsible for both civil and military administration. List any 5 factors responsible for the decline of Mughal Empire. The Mughals did not have any rule of succession, and hence the death of each ruler resulted in bloody wars and conspiracies of nobles. Weak and inefficient successors of Aurangzeb provided an open invitation for internal rebels and foreign invasions. Corrupt officials and heavy burden of land revenue resulted in revolts by peasants, leading to low tax collection. Fourth, the nobles mansabdars gradually become more powerful than the central authority. They started establishing independent states like Hyderabad, Awadh, Bengal, etc. The Europeans were the rising power in the world at that time, and they gradually took over the internal administration, trade and territories of Mughal Empire to strengthen their rule. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और सब्जेक्ट का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए, और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। थैंक्स फॉर